Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070. In this video, we will explore their key features, performance metrics, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Both cards are equipped with 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, but they differ significantly in architecture and cooling solutions. Let's dive in. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti is built on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, which is known for its efficiency and support for advanced features like DLSS3 and ray tracing. In contrast, the XFX Quicksilver RX 9070 utilizes AMD's RDNA4 architecture, which offers impressive performance and power efficiency. Both architectures are designed to deliver high-quality gaming experiences, but they cater to slightly different preferences in terms of performance and features. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The GIGABYTE RTX 4060 Ti features a wind-force cooling system, which includes dual fans designed to optimize airflow and minimize heat buildup. On the other hand, the XFX RX 9070 is equipped with a triple-fan cooling solution that enhances thermal management, allowing for higher boost clock speeds and better performance under load. Both cooling systems are effective, but the RX 9070's triple-fan setup may provide an edge in extreme conditions. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti is priced at $449, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the XFX Quicksilver RX 9070 comes with a higher price tag of $789, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. While both cards offer great value, your choice may depend on your budget and specific gaming needs. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 4060 Ti offers a more affordable option with solid performance and advanced features, while the RX 9070 provides superior performance with its higher clock speeds and cooling capabilities. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific gaming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.